Assalamu alaikum children. How is everyone doing today? So, how are your fasts going on and how was your Qiyamul Layl? Did you keep awake at night? Did you ask for anything and everything from Allah? Did you beg in front of Him? Did you cry in front of Him? When we want something from our parents, we go to them and we cry hard, thinking that by seeing our crying, they might have sympathy on us and they might give us what we desire. The same way, Allah holds love and mercy more than anything on this earth. So how would you go to Him and ask Him if you want something? So, we are already in the 23rd fast and we are going to discuss the 23rd story with the 23rd hadith, inshallah. So what does today's hadith teach us? And what does it state? It says, obey your father. Yes, today's hadith is also based upon the respect of father. In Arabic, it says, Ati' abaka. Riwaya Ahmad. The name of the story is The Kid. Not the human kid, but the goat kid. Let's see what is the story. Nasib loved goats very much, especially the little kids. His father gave him a kid as a gift to look after. Nasib fed it and raised it during the summer. He loved it when the kid ran up to him and gently butted his hands. Nasib's father always told him, don't leave the door open, otherwise the kid will come into the house and damage the furniture. One day Nasib ran into the house to get his ball. He remembered what his father had told him but didn't bother to close the door as he was going to be very quick. He didn't notice that the kid had run after him into the house. While the kid was searching for Nasib, it found itself in front of the big mirror in the living room. Another kid was looking at it. When the kid moved closer, the one in the mirror came closer too. It went crazy. When it saw the other kid approaching, the kid put its head down, ran at the mirror and butted it. It wanted to teach the other goat a lesson. A huge crash was heard through the house. The mirror had been smashed into 100 pieces. If Nasib had known what our Prophet ﷺ told his two young companions, Ibn Umar and Abdullah ibn Amr, he would never have ignored his father's advice. Obey your father. Subhanallah, how easily our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us how to respect our father. You never know what your father is going through because fathers usually don't show their emotions. There are 5 places in the Quran where Allah mentions the status and the respect of parents immediately after His existence and His majesty and might. So you see children, refrain from hurting your father by your words and actions because he is the only man who would sacrifice anything to see you happy. And if your mother is raising you alone, then she holds the status of a mother and a father as well. So imagine the amount of respect you should be giving to her. Don't trouble them. Become the coolness of their hearts. Become the peace of their eyes. Become the beloved of your parents. So with that, I'll take your leave. Inshallah, I'll see you in my next episode with another beautiful hadith and another beautiful story. Miss Ramadan loves you all.